week 1 of our Bidding Over No Trump opening short course for beginner players. Now, what we're going to do throughout this course is teach you a comprehensive system about the Stayman and transfers convention, which you've probably heard a little bit about by now. Now, what we need to do just to get us started is talk about what's contained in a 1 no trump opening. So when you open the bidding with 1 no trump, you're telling your partner you're a specific point range and you're telling your partner that you're a balanced shape. Now here at BridgeBid, we prefer playing 1 no trump as showing either 15, 16 or 17 points, no more, no less, and a balanced hand. So with a balanced hand, you're going to be one of the 3 hand shapes, either 4, 4, 3 and 2, 5, 3, 3, 2, or the most balanced you can be, 4, 3, 3, 3. Now with the points, it doesn't matter where your points are, it just matters that you have them. If you've learned a different point range to open 1 no trump, we do have a video on how you can adapt for this course to handle that. But what we're going to be doing is teaching as though you're playing 15 to 17 no trump and that your 1 no trump is going to be a balanced hand, one of these 3 hand shapes. Now remember a key thing, it doesn't matter where your points are. It just matters that you have them. So for instance, on this hand here, we definitely open 1 no trump because we've got 7 high card points in spades, 3 in hearts, and 5 in diamonds. So that's a total of 15 points. Now, you notice that we have only 3 small clubs. We don't need to worry about that whatsoever. It doesn't matter where our points are. We could even just have 2 small ones. All we're doing is we're telling partner that we're one of those hand shapes and that we've got specifically 15, 16 or 17 points. Let's take a look at another one. So here, again, we've got 9 points in spades, 1 in clubs and 6 in diamonds. So we've got 16. That puts us in the 15 to 17 category and we're balanced. This time we're a 4, 4, 3 and 2 shape. Again, we have our heart suit with no points in it whatsoever. We've got our spade suit with lots of points, and we're a little bit worried about those clubs, but again, it doesn't matter where our points are, it just matters that we have them. On to another one. This time we're a 4, 3, 3, 3 shape, and we happen to have points in all our suits. With 16 points, what we should do is start off with a 1 no trump opening. Now our lucky last one, here again we're a 4, 3, 3, 3, and we have points in all our suits. We do fit into the 15 to 17 point range, so we should start off the bidding with 1 no trump. Now some people would have learnt about length points and some people would have just learnt about high card points. It doesn't matter how you classify your hand, whether you use them or not. What we suggest is you simply stick to what you know. If you use them, make sure you use them throughout the course. If you don't use them throughout the course. And if you don't know what we're talking about with length points, don't worry, it just would have been that when you learnt, they weren't taught to you and it was a different sort of form of hand evaluation. Now, on to why we need the Stayman convention. What Stayman will do is it's going to allow us to know when both the opener and the responder have 4 cards in a major suit together. So they're going to have a fit. After a 1 no trump opening, what can happen is that we're going to learn how the 2 club bid is a way of saying, partner, do you have 4 cards in hearts or do you have 4 cards in spades? Because I think we might have a fit there. So this is when both responder and opener have a 4-4 major suit fit. And it also can apply after a 2 no trump opening. Now a 2 no trump opening says the same thing about a balanced hand, but the difference is we now have 20 to 22 points. What happens? We can use Stayman. It's going to be a level higher. What the Stayman bid is, it's 3 clubs. And again, we're going to learn in the upcoming days how this asks our partner if they've got a 4-card major, because we think that we might have a 4-4 major suit fit with them. So just to summarize what we learnt for today, when we open 1 no trump, we need to have 15 to 17 points and our hand needs to be balanced, either 4-4-3-2, 4-3-3-3 or 5-3-3-2. Now it doesn't matter where your 15, your 16 or your 17 points are, They could all be within 2 suits. They could be spread out through all the suits. It just doesn't matter. Now, what we're going to use Stayman for, which we're going to learn in the upcoming days, is how the responder can find out if they have a 4-4 fit in a major suit with the opening bidder. Now, one last note, some people would have learnt that you can open 1 no trump or 2 no trumps with a 5-card major suit, and some people would have learnt that you can't open 1 no trump if you hold a 5-card major suit. Either way is fine. Again, stick to what you've learnt. Enjoy doing today's quiz, and we'll see you tomorrow.